So guys, I got this little meter right here. Essentially what I'm doing with this is I am gonna measure the temperature in these ribeye. So let's go ahead and rip this. Yeah, this thing is great. I actually need to buy myself another one of these so that I can cook 2 steak with it. Right now I can only do it on 1. So anyway, I'm gonna pick this big one right here to put this meter mate in. And so the way that I would do it is I would just find wherever it's like a little fat right here. Make sure it's in the middle, by the way. Make sure that it's in the middle, all right? And so, yep, all I do is I just stick this in here. Then you kind of have to squeeze it. There we go. Just make sure that it doesn't go through the back of the piece of meat, whichever piece of meat that you're doing. So there we have it. Now when you stick it in there, make sure that it goes all the way in, like all the way in. Just a little bit showing. See that? That's what you would do. And obviously, make sure that it doesn't stick through the back right here. So that looks good to me. That looks like a good incision. Yeah, all I do is now I just open up the app and it should be on. So guys, once I put that incision in, I just click on this right here, say set up cook, hit beef. I'm cooking a steak, and also I'm doing ribeye right here. So click ribeye right there, and it just set a little time, little temperature that should be good for you, which is about medium. But then if you want to like medium well or something like that, you can click on that, and then you can say start cook. And make sure you turn on your sounds, because it's gonna beep you at certain times for you to flip and take the steak off and things like that. And so as you can see right here, an internal temperature, a target temperature, and an ambient temperature. Now ambient temperature is very important, and that's why I have put this lid over my steak right here, just so that the ambient temperature can rise. And yeah, that's kind of the gist of the meter right there. And what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and walk from here. That's where the kitchen is. I want to go ahead and walk all the way over here. Let me just turn the light. And I'll let you see how far you can go. So right now, I'm this far right here. So the meat's cooking over there. I'm standing over here, and it's still reading it. I might be able to go outside, but it's a little cold and wet. So not going to do that. But yeah. Reaches pretty far. You don't have to worry too much about it.